Hi, I'm Lucy. I bought Dyson V6 Absolute Cordless Vacuum Cleaner last month. Really worth it and really a wonderful vacuum cleaner. I have owned a Dyson before V6, but the Absolute is even better. My carpet has probably never been this clean before. The pros are: 1. Powerful suction. 2. No filter bags to buy. 3. You see how much dirt you vacuum, which is satisfying and makes you vacuum more often. 4. Air is clean because of the HEPA filter. 5. All of the attachments really optimize the cleaning. 6. You can reach virtually anything because it is cordless and lightweight. 7. If you move, or even travel to a different country, you can literally take it apart and put it in your suitcase. And the cons are: 1. It's a big investment but worth it. 2. Emptying the plastic container can be a bit of a struggle because it doesn't pop off super easily. 3. Rinsing the container and filters once in a while adds some time to the vacuum maintenance. Overall, I don't think I would ever get a different type of vacuum again. It's so nice not to have a cord.